Hey everybody, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to be discussing changing the waste toner bottle on a Xerox C315 desktop printer. Alright, now to change your waste toner bottle, first thing you're going to want to do is open the top of the machine by grabbing the right side handle next to the letter B and lifting straight up until it clicks, like that. And then you'll open your front cover. There's little indentations on each side. Grab it with your fingers and pull straight out until it opens up. Now, what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to remove this white piece of plastic that has the letter A on it. To do that, there's two little green buttons, one on each side of where the toner cartridges are. You're going to push straight in toward the machine with those green buttons. And that should pop off the white side. And then right here is your waste toner bottle. Now to take that out, you're going to see two green buttons down on the sides of it. And you push those green buttons in just like the last ones. And that will release the waste toner bottle. We're going to go on exactly like we just came off in reverse order. You'll notice you'll have holes along the top of the waste toner bottle. Now those holes line up with these valves that come off of the drums. You'll line those holes straight up and give it a good, I like to do a flat palm push straight in on that waste toner bottle until it clicks all the way in place. There's little hooks, and those little hooks go on to these seats at the bottom of the machine. You'll stick those hooks right where they go, and then you'll just turn that side back up until it clicks. Once you do that, you're good to go ahead and close your front cover. Now be sure to pull weight off of the top a little bit, and then squeeze the black trigger behind the letter B, and then lower the whole thing down slowly and click it in place. And you have now changed your waste toner bottle on your C315. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click here. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the printing workshop. If these videos help you in any way, please like and subscribe.